What's up, riderz Nation? Tonight, I'm out at Liberty Harley Davidson in Rahway, New Jersey for their last bike night of the year. Let's see what kind of fun we can have. Cue the intro. The riderz Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting. What's up, riderz Nation? This is the first time that I'm checking out Liberty Harley Davidson in Rahway, New Jersey for their bike night. Apparently, they have 2 bike nights a year, and this is the second of the 2 bike nights. I was very shocked. There was a lot of bikes here. Not as many as Bourbon County Harley Davidson, but I bet you there was 150, 200 bikes here. And I believe that I was filming around 6:30. The bike night starts at 6 o'clock, and I believe it goes until 8:30, 9 o'clock. So there were more bikes later on in the night. There were some nice bikes there. I'm going to circle back around to the scorched orange trike right there and get a closer look, just in case you were worried. They also do free food. I believe they were hamburgers and hot dogs. They do free beer. Both very cool things. I did film Liberty Harley Davidson for a dealership review that should be coming out within the next 2 or 3 weeks, I guess. Liberty is a smaller, I would call it a smaller dealership. I thought this Road Glide right here was hot with the color matched orange windscreen. What else do I have for you guys? The cover band was really good. I don't remember what the name of the cover band was, but they were really, really good. Like, they may have been the best cover band that I've ever heard. When you can do a Kiss song and it actually sounds like Kiss, you're doing something right. Other than that, you know, they had a 50-50. They did have a patch lady. Seems like that's kind of universal. If you like this video, please do us a favor, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave us some comments. It really helps the channel out. We have very big plans for the channel. We want to do lots of things, but it all starts with you by hitting that subscribe button, giving us some likes, and giving us some comments so we know we're doing good things that you are watching. Thank you all, and let's get back to the video. This was a really hot color. It was I guess it would be a maroon, but it had a lot of flake in the paint. It was real sparkled up. You can't see it in the video, but the paint looked really good. And here's that trike that I was talking about before. Hands down, my favorite color I think that ever came well, I might be biased because I own a scorched orange bike, but I do believe that that is my favorite Harley Davidson color, is scorched orange. This bike was hot. I don't know if it's my favorite color in the world. It's a shade of green, but it's a Joker bike. I mean, who's got a Joker bike? The bike was very beautiful. It was custom. They always look better. The accents on the motor were blue, and I thought the Harley Davidson across the gas tank was hot. And as I always say, there's always one. I don't know why a guy brings a hula hoop to a bike night, but apparently someone did. The band was really good though. Definitely worth the trip just for the band. Yes, I said just for the band it would have been worth the trip. That's how good they were. And I guess also the grown man hula hooping with a cowboy hat on was also worth the trip. Another road glide, a lot of nice bikes. I wouldn't say there were a lot of custom bikes, but there were a lot of nice bikes. Another road glide. Man, it seems like that's all I say is road glide, road glide, road glide. Think these handlebars are high enough for everybody? I don't know, they gotta be 16 to 18 inches. So much for me, but I thought they were good enough to video. It would appear as though road glide is overtaking street glide 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 is what it looks like in all these events that I go to. I just don't understand why. I love the street glide as compared to the road glide, but I'm greatly in the minority. Alright guys, until next time, stay safe, live the dream.